Also, I condemned the statements of Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, who prejudicially stated one pastor coming from Hyderabad, drinking, and with accident died. Did Mr. Chandrababu Naidu see Praveen Pagadala drinking, or did his assistants pour him wine or liquor? These kind of statements are irresponsible. After filing the charge sheet, I requested the Honorable CJ. I'm very grateful to him. He permitted me to withdraw this, to refile after studying the charge sheet, what they investigated, how they investigated, who they investigated. And I mentioned before the Honorable CJ that irresponsible statements, whether by government leader or the Chief Minister, must be strongly condemned because nobody is above the law. You see, on September 11th, Charlie Kirk was assassinated, a 31-year-old pastor, preacher, activist, similar to Praveen Pagadala. There in America, President Trump is giving him highest honor. Millions and hundreds of millions are people valuing life, conducting the funeral. This next Sunday, September 21st, will be attended by President and Vice President of America. In India, we don't value life. If a train accident takes place 10 times, 1 rupee or 1 lakh or 2 lakhs given. Life in India is 1-2 lakhs. Life in America is priceless. President of America is attending the funeral. Please, I am a proud Indian. I cannot tolerate illegal, unethical, immoral statement, for which I am grateful to Honorable Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh for allowing me to withdraw and properly file. But others are turning this into business, collecting money from the public. I have not collected 1 rupee in Praveen Pagadala's name, or Nimisha Priya's case, or banning the betting app, or even in my rallies for 2,200 rallies in 155 countries. Don't turn a death into business. Thank you very much. ఈ రోజు